Go. I mean,
Like, what is this world turning into? I don't know how to speak to old people. I don't know how to talk to them. Like, what?
you're making me sound like I'm like a 2-year-old who's like, who's that? Are they old? Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say.
That's exactly what you're saying, though. That you don't know how to talk to old people. That's what you're saying.
I am not.
Did you hear yourself? Yes, you did.
Are you still dealing with that gay kid on your bus?
Yes, I have to for another year.
Oh, I feel bad for you.
Me too. I feel bad for myself.
Oh.
No, don't change the subject. Don't change the subject.
How's school going? I'm gonna change every subject you have. I'm joking.
Oh, God.
Someone shoot me, I'm dying. Wash me whip. Wash me nay.
Oh my God.
Okay, fine. Okay. Juju on that beat. I'm joking. Jana, hello. Hello. So this kid in my class, his name is Liam Ultra. He like annoys me to my point where I can go, I whacked my elbow. Well, he drives me to the point where I can punch him across his face. He watched my YouTube video and he goes, what the do you do? He goes, oh, Movie Star Planet. Ew. I'm like, Liam, you got a problem. You got a problem, boy.
Many people have problems. You just know how to know what's wrong with them.
No. Okay. Bah. What are you watching?
Nothing.
Why are you watching my YouTube videos? I can hear my voice, and Brittany is my friend's name. Don't even. I smell like beef.
I can smell the lies coming from your mouth. The lies that you've been telling. I can smell it all over.
What? You pervert.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. I smell like beef. Bah.
That's interesting. You smell like beef?
I was reading a meme.
I'm sure that wasn't a meme that says, I smell like beef.
You gotta look at my YouTube video. No, not YouTube video. My, I'm gonna call it. My, ow.
Ow.
You gotta look at my, my
Your
photo. Yeah, there.
Your photo.
Yeah, my
Okay,
photo.
I'm gonna look at a photo
And it
I better
says,
see, I smell like beef.
Stop taking it like that.
I don't see anything that says, I smell like beef.
No, it says, I smell like beef.
Exactly, I smell like beef.
Here, I'm gonna turn on screen share, okay? Look at my screen, and I'll show you the flippin' meme.
Okay.
This is it. I smell like beef.
It doesn't even say I smell like beef.
Yes, it does. It says right
Not
here.
even the
No, it
not
says,
even like the title. Oh, never mind.
yeah.
I smell like. Why would you? Is this even a child you know?
No, I found it on the internet.
Why would you do that? You don't even know that child.
Hey, look, this is my friend Brittany.
I don't care about Brittany.
Sit, my dude.
Is Brittany a girl?
Duh.
Brittany's a boy?
No.
Oh.
You make me feel so stupid.
Huh? What was the meat? I don't know. Oh, it's right here.
I'm a chicken nugget.
Stop hitting me with a box, Mom.
Your mom's hitting you with a box?
She's hitting me with a box of of bones of chicken. Because I ate them all. With my own money.
My friend gave her away her account, and the girl that took it, I want to just punch.
So, what I'm saying is you wanted your friend's account.
No. I don't want my friend's account. I just want her to keep it. Like, I wanted her to stay on her account, but she gave it away anyway. Not following my directions. Ew. Someone shipped.
Really fast.
Someone flippin' shipped. They shipped
I have a question for
Pixie
you,
Star
child.
and Holly Nova. Ugh.
Honey, I have a question for you.
What do you want?
Why do you always have a new boyfriend every month or week? That is a question that I need an answer to. Because I honestly, at this point, don't even know anymore. And then you go back and forth with what's his name, Spiral or something, and then back to Brad, and then back to Spiral, then Brad, then Liam. Like, what is this? I need an answer to this question.
I don't even know. I actually really don't know. Who goes to Korea just to meet?
Who goes to Korea just to what?
Meet. Online?
Meet?
Yeah. Me, if I was like, ew, no. I don't want to be a cat.
What?
Nothing. Yo, look at my screen.
I feel like I'm gonna see something I don't. Okay, I'm not looking at the screen.
No.
Ask me again.
No, do it, please.
No!
Well, it's a guy at the copier, and he says, move, I'm gay.
I know, I seen it. And it's not a good scene. It is
Jazzy.
Oh my god. Who did that?
Ew, no. Watch me whip.
Did that?
Watch me, nay. Watch me whip. I don't know what's going on with my life anymore, to be honest.
Me either.
Are you talking about my life or your life?
I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oof.
Can you hear my music?
No, I don't know if
Okay,
I want to
good.
hear your music.
Huh?
I don't know if I want to hear your music.
Oh. Is that supposed to be offensive?
No, not at all.
Oh, okay, good.
It's just that I don't know what, like... I don't know what's life
I like
anymore.
different kinds of music.
I like Chinese music.
What? You're telling me you just said you like Chinese music.
Whoa.
I honestly don't know how
China
to react.
Bush,
Oh,
China
comes
Bush,
out of your
China
mouth.
Bush, China music.
China music.
2 hours of best China music. I'm joking, I don't like China music.
2 hours of best Chinese music.
Yeah. What the?
Okay, like I don't even want to
What?
react to anything. that
Why
comes out
does
of your
my
mouth
sister
anymore.
watch this stuff?
What?
No. No one. What the? What? Whoa. No. Oh my god. I've seen too much. Lil Cal. Ugh. My sister watches such weird crap. And it shows up on my grandma's computer thing. Okay. Anyway, I need my music. What is that?
What is what?
What? What?
Mind your business.
No!
We don't talk to young punks.
You just call me a dumb punk?
Young punks.
Oh. Then stop talking to me, because I don't know what to talk to you. No. Yeah, I know. I know I can't talk to old people, okay? I know you don't talk to young folks. No! No! Go away. Oh, come on, man! That stinks!
Oh God.
That really stinks! Yes! Oh, I have a see-through shirt. That means... Ugh. This is what happens when you live with old people. No! No!
Did you just say that's what happens to old people?
I'll be right back, hold on.
Earn things for like,
Yeah.
earn fame.
Yeah.
Should I claim the 2,500 fame or save it?
From who?
Oh my God! I just looked for like from the achievements.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, that should I claim it?
Yes, claim it all.
Okay, I'm not gonna claim it.
I hate you sometimes. Like, you ask me stupid questions, and I answer you, and then you're like, I'm not gonna do that. Like, bruh. I
Because
asked
I'm
you.
saving up.
Then
know what
why?
that
No,
means?
listen. Then why did you ask me?
I needed someone's opinion, and you happen to be in this call. Okay, should I claim 202?
Yes.
Okay, I'm not gonna do it.
You're not. No, you should not claim it.
Okay, I'm not gonna claim it.
Okay, don't claim it.
Okay, I won't claim it.
Are you doing the opposite? Like, is it opposite day or something?
It's always opposite day for me, to be honest.
Okay. How many?
It's always opposite.
How many TC did you buy?
I'm obsessed with rares. Chill.
You bought.
I
You
have
know.
like,
You bought 7.
I have like 4 pages of like rares. Some of them are not like 1 or 2, but like.
I'm making a look
like,
of you because I hate your look right now.
You are honestly the worst person I've ever met. Like, wow. I try my best on this, and you honestly just bring my look down.
I'm sorry, but you could do better.
You can do better as well.
I know I can.
It looked like you just broke leaves from a tree and put it on your head.
It's called a rare crown. Thank you.
No, it's called. I'm not gonna say it.
And then, hold on. Wait for me to end my YouTube videos, then you can say it.
What? I didn't hear you.
I've been recording this whole time, so like when I'm done recording, you can say what you gotta say.
Okay.
Yeah.
For the views of children.
Oh my goodness. Bye, people.